Hello everyone, welcome to Smart NFT Tutorials. I'm going to show you how to sign up for MetaMask using your phone and change to BNB Smart Chain network. In order to sign up for MetaMask, the first thing to do is to make sure you've downloaded MetaMask application on your phone. If not, go visit your app store and tap it on in the search box. Search for MetaMask by typing it. Application, give it a tap. Simply tap on the install button or the download. Let me tap on the open button to launch. Click create a new wallet to start. Click I agree, the blue button 1 for do the next step. Create your password and confirm your password in the field blank. Click correct, check on the checkbox for agreement license. Be careful to remember your password to use login to the dApp. Then click create password button. MetaMask application will asking allow Face ID or fingerprint. Click OK. This step application will ask you secure your wallet with 12 words secret recovery phrase. You should remember and put the secret words to next step. Now finish. You have MetaMask wallet already. Next step, we will change main network from Ethereum to BNB Smart Chain. Click on the red box that you see on the video, and if you don't found BNB Smart Chain, you need to add by custom network. Go to menu and go to setting menu. Click network menu, then click add network. Let's put it in the field blank. Follow my step. I will write the detail in description below this video. After you have put all thing done, then click add the blue button 1. All you're set. Express guide, simple way to switch network on MetaMask wallet. Go to menu browser, then go to chainlist.org. Scroll down, then click connect wallet. search for BNB Smart Chain and click Add to MetaMask. The wallet will asking to switch to BNB Smart Chain, then click Switch. All are set. Easy, right? Question or a feedback for us? I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end. Please like and share this video to your friend. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.